Good Monday morning to everyone. Well, we got some active showers and thunderstorms. These are not severe, by the way, north of Springfield. That just moved through Warsaw. I recorded this about 7:20 this morning, and it's also moving through St. Clair County, so over around the El Dorado Springs area to Nevada and the Lake of the Ozarks. All can experience this little wind shift here today. If you watch that very carefully, there's a flow of cool air that undercuts that, and it's actually reinforced that band of showers and storms here in the last couple of minutes. Let me stop the loop and point that out here. So what's happened is cool air has come in like this from the ongoing storms of last night and has helped to form this new area. Now, this is not severe, and it may kick up its heels later on this morning as the air out ahead of it gets increasingly unstable. Or, on the other hand, what I think will happen, if I go ahead and put the wind shift on here, you'll see these are the individual reports from around the area here. And so Springfield's got a light southeast wind, very light at Camdenton, but it's already shifted at Clinton to the northwest and Sedalia basically to the north. And those wind gusts were both over 30 miles per hour here within the last hour or so. Let me look at the model data. Now, this is unstable air. Let me crank this back here to the present. And as is typical during the afternoon, this becomes more unstable. But if you watch here carefully, you'll notice that at first we have a buildup of unstable air. Let me move that, but you can clearly see by looking at this where this gust front is starting to alter things, combination of that and the cool front right there. So that's moving south through the area. And if I continue to move this loop, you can see the air getting pretty unstable there in southwest Missouri, this area here. But as we continue to move the loop, you can clearly also see the effects of the stabilizing effects of that cool air right here. So everything behind this line is not really bad and unstable at all. Everything out ahead of this is pretty much. So this represents where the thunderstorms will form and where they have the best shot at being severe. And also I'll note with the high moisture content in the atmosphere, some of those storms could really produce some pretty good downpours. Maybe not widespread like everybody would like, but northern Arkansas in particular and southern Missouri could use the rain the most. We could all use it, but we'll take what we can get. I'll have more updates on this situation later on this morning as they develop.